I absolutely love picking these early mange two peas. They are such a treat, because we don't freeze peas. I haven't eaten peas since, I don't know, October, and it really gives this kind of special delight, I always think, to self-sufficiency when you really look forward to the next harvest of something. And right now it's strawberries and peas and cauliflowers and calabrese, broad beans, beetroot, all these kind of delights of spring. And all new to us. I mean, we have had beetroot from the store, but new potatoes, such a treat. And for me, it's what really makes self-sufficiency interesting. I think that I just don't want to duplicate the supermarket experience of frozen food. I want to do something different with my diet and eat different things in every season. And pick it and eat it, at its absolute peak. And the way I like it as well. So I really like my mange two peas with just a little bit of pea coming, rather than it being a completely flat pod. For me that gives the optimum experience of crunch and sweetness. Absolutely gorgeous.